Breaker 190 tuning in only 4 trucks. Come on back, brother. Please subscribe, brother.
That's how you do it. Never done that before on a step deck. First time.
I thought you said you never
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name's Joe and you're watching Only 4 Trucks. Some of you may already know or be familiar with the 2 trucks that are behind me. They are the 2 4s that I used to drive for a good friend of mine. And if you guys aren't familiar or haven't been following the channel, unfortunately he had to stop most things he had going on due to the township, and he had to liquidate almost everything he has. So it's pretty much of a bummer, honestly, but he's getting through it. He's doing good, and has sold some stuff at his auction, and he sold some equipment recently online, which, if you guys are interested, these trucks are for sale. So leave me a comment, let me know. He is trying to get rid of these things, unfortunately. But as you guys just watched, I loaded up the excavator. That is a, somebody's beeping, how you doing? That is a Takeuchi TB 1140. I believe it's a 32,000 pound excavator. Just about the biggest size you get with a blade on it, I think. But I was gonna move it with a tag trailer, but it wasn't ideal to make the 4-hour run or so to Virginia, almost 5 hours. So I decided to use this step deck. Height's, you know, good to go there. We checked that. And then all I had to do was load it. So unfortunately, I couldn't let all the air out of the trailer like I'd hoped. But luckily, we didn't blow a bag or have any problems. So she's loaded up, she's chained down. And I'm gonna go park this thing for the night. And then early tomorrow morning, I'll be rolling out to Virginia. And I should have a special guest to take the ride with me. So you guys will get to get a little out of us, out of a conversation there. So I'm pretty excited for that. But yeah, that's the game plan. So stay tuned. We're gonna have a good ride down to Virginia, drop this thing off, and see you guys then. Well, guys, we made it. We're down here somewhere near Fredericksburg, Virginia, right near Colonial Beach, I believe. Something like that, the GPS said. But we're here. The guys are going over their machine, making sure they're happy with it and everything like that. And then hopefully get this thing unloaded and I could turn and burn, head home. So see what these guys want to do, see if they like it, and then roll from there. We got a good view here though, so I'll give you guys a shot. Looks good. big hour almost, so yeah, you're probably good right now. Not too bad. I'll take it. Well guys, as you saw, we got that machine off. Worked out pretty good. I was kind of happy with how it came off. I was a little nervous. I hate trying to use my feet to walk backwards, but like as far as forward and back with the tracks, but it worked. So got it off nice and safe. Everything was good. Guy was happy. We got back home and dropped trailer, and I'm back here with the Fords. So like I told you guys, they're for sale. And my special guest here, I brought Diane with me for the ride today. She had nothing better to do, so figured we could hang out.
Good time.
But hopefully her nephew Jack's watching. From what I hear, he wants that Ford. So
The blue one.
yeah, the blue one. So we're gonna talk to you, Jack. Hopefully we can get you in that thing. That'd be really cool. But hopefully real soon we're back up at your place and we get that Peterbilt apart, because I think she's itching more than I am. I think we're both pretty excited.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be great. So till that time, guys, we'll see you next time. Appreciate you watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, brother. Over and out.